Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahwa Ramadhani. NIM 63241251. With friend.
My name is Faiza Ramadhani with NIM 63241420.
Enjoying our video.
Excuse me, call you help? Me, I'm about to lost.
Of course, where are you looking me?
I am trying to find the National Museum. Could you tell me how to get there?
Sure. From here, it's about 10 minutes to walk.
Oh, thanks. Not too far. Can you give me the location?
Generally, please go station down this road until you reach the traffic light.
Okay, straight to the red traffic lights.
Yes, and turn left in at the light you will see a big bag. On your right, keep walking along the road.
Alright, turn under the lights and walk past the park.
Actually, after the park you see a bookstore on the corner. The museum is just across the street from there.
Put it straight F and the lights past the park and then near the bookstore.
That's right. The museum has a big sign, so you won't miss it.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the museum.
Thank you again. Have a great day.
You too. Dadah.
Dito ane introduction, dito English Grammar K, concept, subtitle, gerund, definition, present perfect, and more content. Author name, objective, understand, CK, grammar topics. Gerund, definition, a verb ending in ing-that vocation as a noun. Example, subject, swimming is fun. Object, I enjoy reading. Infinitive, definition, the base form of a verb often with to. Types, with to, I want to learn. With to, without to, submit, make me cry. Subject, to travel is kidding. Object, like to read. Present, perfect tense, definition, describes action that happened at an specified time or continue to the present. Adverbial clause of time, definition, a dependent clause showing time. Conjunction, when, after, before, since, well. Example, I will call you when you arrive. Definition, noun. Definition, a specific noun of that with the. Example, the book is mine. I saw teacher yesterday. Indefinite noun, definition, a specific, a non-specific noun obtained with a or an. Example, he books a book. She is an artist. Conclusion, summary, gerund, and infinitive are form of verb. Present perfect connect past present. Adverbial clause definition and indefinite noun